Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadira Izati Septiana. My NPM is 1911040419. Okay, I will explain about my proposal. My proposal title is A Critical Discourse Analysis of Cinderella Movie. This is the contents. And this, the background of the problem. Film as a form of literature can be very entertaining media. It can be proved by the fact that almost every family in the world has at least one television set at home. The reason that film become the most popular literature product is that it offers moral values, produced in a many genres, interesting with many colorful animation and special effects, easy and cheap to get, and often include language and culture content. A definition of movie stated by Hornby defined film is a story recorded as a set of moving pictures to be shown on television or at cinema. As stated in Microsoft Answer the 2008, movie or film is a series of images that are projected onto screen to create the illusion of motion. Motion pictures, also called movies, films, or the cinema, are one of the most popular forms of entertainment, enabling people to bring themselves in an imagery world. Discourse analysis in concert with the study the relationship between language and the contents in which it used. Discourse analysis, language in use, written text of all kinds, and spoken data. From conversation to heightened institutional forms of talk. In discourse analysis and grammar, much on the discussion will use terms that are common in language teaching: clause, pronoun, adverbial, and conjunction. And the gender as a form of social differentiation is one of the aspects that are considered because gender issues arise in every life. Gender is gender in particular, but gender is defined as a difference between man and woman's position, that is, an obligation that is based on socio-cultural construction and can change with time. The identification of problem. Based on the background above, the researchers identification that problems related to studies gender. The study show how the film Cinderella and Tarzan construct gendered identities where women are kinder and depicted as attractive to other characters, while men are more active and seek roles and heroes. Limitation of the problem. Based on the identification of the problem above, this study acknowledged change in the way Disney film construct gender. It shows how women are the active protagonists in Cinderella film, namely Cinderella twin sister, but also show how the protagonists continue to embody traditional feminine identities, including tender embraces, self-centeredness, and self-sacrifice. Next is formulation of the problem. Based on the identification of the problem above, The formulation on the problems as follows: why gender identify where women are better described and attractive to others, and why do we need systematic data and information about men and women. Next is objective of the research. Based on the research question above, gender analysis is considered as a new critical analysis that focuses its attention on social relations between men and women, especially on structural and system injustice caused by gender. Therefore, gender analysis tools can be understood as a concept used to recognize the existence of injustice behind the difference in social relation between men and women. Next is significance of the study. The study's findings should be beneficial to the author, readers, and future researchers. The below are the implications. First, the writer. The research, according to the author, is intended to include more information about gender in Cinderella movie. 2. Readers. To provide readers with insight about how gender is portrayed in the Cinderella movie. And the last is further researchers. This report is intended to be one of the sources used by future scholars to form a more in-depth investigation into gender representation in Cinderella movie. Next is scope of the research. Subject of the research. Subject of the research was conducted through movie Cinderella. And next is object of the research. The object of the research was using critical discourse analysis. The next is critical discourse analysis. This research used critical discourse analysis to reveal the conception and power relation that were portrayed in this movie. Critical discourse analysis was used to reveal the latent provocation behind the text or discussion or as a spoken text. The CDA also described converse text and practice. That's critical discourse analysis. Critical converse analysis, grounded on Van Eyck, is a type of converse logic exploration that primarily studies the way social power abuse, dominance, and inequality are legislated. Wodak and Mayer state that the multiple fruits of CDA lie in rhetoric, text linguistics, anthropology, philosophy, sociopsychology, cognitive science, literary studies, and sociolinguistics. Next is gender. Gender and sex are delicate to distinguish as both of them are connected each other. According to Crafoord and Unger, sex is defined as biological variation in genetic makeup, reproductive anatomy, and function, and gender is defined as what society creates from biological sex accoutrements. Also, through species is determined biologically. Gender is formed socially. To epitomize, gender is socially that constantly informed and mixed by both manly and womanist individualities. Therefore, if a biological woman is practiced the gender as created by individuals in society, she is said to be womanlike. Gender construction represent and grow people's worldwide, and they add impact on how people suppose, believe, and remains in society. Next is the concept of gender equality in Islamic perspective. God created humans, both men and women, in the principle of relationship cooperation. Likewise, in the contents of family, marital relationship, they are created to cover each other, and like and to apparel. And in some another verse reflect that human rights and responsibilities are the same and indistinguishable, male and female, before God, among human beings as well as in the family. Next is method of the study. This research is a qualitative study using contents analysis as a research method. This method is used to describe film. Content analysis is a technique that sustains the researcher to study the behavior of a human in indirect way. By an analysis of their communication, in other words, it means the analysis is a written content of the communication. It can be film, movie, song, and any type of communication that can be analyzed. If the content analysis is used qualitative data, while the data are collected in the form of words, it is more concerned with understanding situation and events from the viewpoints of the data. Next is object of the study. Using film media to find out the gender in the Cinderella movie, there are four female genders in the Cinderella movie: Ella, her two stepsisters, and her stepmother. And there are two men, her father and the prince. The object is researched from the Cinderella film. And the last is technique of the data collection. In the research, the researcher will use document analysis. According to Bowen, document analysis is a form of qualitative study in which the researchers interprets documentation to give voice and an interpretation to an evaluation subject. Report analysis involves rendering material into patterns in the same way as focus group or interviews transcript are studied. However, in this study, data similar as a person name, gender identity, and sentence containing the gender part element would be included. The gender representation will be audited for the gender visibility and gender part that appeared in the word or sentence in the book. Okay, that's all from me. And let's say I will say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.